Morning everyone. So let's move on to class. So last class already we discussed, right? So how to create right? So EBS and how to create and how to attach that EBS volume to that particular same region, same instances and all. And the remaining story already we know, right? So how to use a null resource, and what is the main purpose. And enter also one or two people asked, just note it, what is null resource, and so how to call and how to use it. So can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now today we'll see that continuous and all and how to declare variables and all. So this and null resource is nothing but right? This is not actual resource, and if any modification only done, and that case only I want to execute that block. That's it. Simply, if you want to understand. So this is not actual resource, right? This is not the actual resource. Now, if you go here, already we created, right? This is our, as of now, I created only one, right? This is one provider. Every time it is connecting, and this is the actual resource. This is our main block, correct? And so it is going to create resources in AWS. If we create, so first time, right? If it is not available, it is going to create resource in AWS. But if we come to here, null resource, and so it won't create any resource. And if you want to right, trigger if any modification is done, and that case only I want to trigger, otherwise I don't want. So that case we go for this is the null resource. This is also one provider, and first we need to install that plugin. If it is already available, no need to do anything. And if it is not available, and yesterday we discussed, right, two ways we can add it. We can use Terraform init upgrade also we can use it, or else directly we can add that already they provided some script, right? Just copy and paste it. That's it. And also last class we seen, right? So how to add that null resource and how to execute and all. And right? So if you want to, we can format also. Now we created EBS and all, right? Where I created EBS, which folder I executed. Mm, mm, mm. Here or somewhere. Very good. Uh, okay, that is. And so now volume is created. Which folder I executed last class? Mm, 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 mm. Not here. Here I think I didn't save or not. Okay. Maybe here also available. Now we'll check it. Somewhere I created EBS and all, right? Mm. EBS. Is there anything out to where is my main file? Is restores. Here I created, right? So now see here. Now, so real time, if we come to real time, everything we are not writing into the same file. For best practice, right? So real time, we are going to split each and everything, so separate resource and separate file, one TF file. And with the help of that file, right, we can easily modify and we can easily update and we can whatever we want, we can easily understand. The main thing is understand. Here, see here I used something, right? So now yesterday also we implemented EBS and all. Now see here, separate if you want to separate, and also that for every resource we are creating, for every resource we are going to create one separate resource file. Under this resource file we are going to add it. Now if you observe here, that is very simple only. Already we know how to create it. And so now if you go here, mm, where is this Terraform? Okay. Now I am going to create, here I am going to create, I don't want this one, this a separate folder I am going to create mm, under this new folder. Okay. Just I am going to do some variables also. We see first one by one will come. Now I am going to create some variables. Okay. So as of now, same script only. Same script, right? So I created only one file. Within that file, within that file, within that file, I created. So I created EC2. Provided everything, right? If you observe here, this is I given one name. EC2, whatever name we can give it. That is your wish. So here, this is the providers, and this is the resource, AWS instance related resource. And also here I given, right, some null reference also. Here I given some null reference. So like this, so we are adding here. But if we come to real time, we are not going to maintain everything only single file. Each and everything we are maintaining separate file. Each and everything we are maintaining separate file. Now understand, right? Now same thing I am going to split at multiple files. Now how it will work? Now observe here. Now this is right. Now go to here. Now go to here. Go to here, and here there is a I declare like so variables or whatever I want. I declare variables. I created one more directory. Now first come to here. Let's go to here. Now open git bash. Now as of now I don't have anything. Now I am going to create one file. What is that file name? So vi providers, provids providers dot tf. I given one file name, insert. So yesterday I everything as of now, right, everything we written only single file. So if you write everything, if you add multiple resources, and that is very difficult to handle, right? If you want to update, modify anything, maintenance also very difficult. Now what we are going to do, we are going to separate each and everything. Now if we come to here, this is the providers, correct? This is the providers. Copy same thing, coming to here, I pasted here. I'm not going to do anything, just I am going to split at multiple files. I am splitted multiple files. So what is main purpose, guys? Maintenance is very easy, and future if you want to modify, if you want to do anything, we can easily add. Okay. Now I'm going to create one more file, vi ec2, whatever you want we can give, ec2 dot tf dot tf. Okay, tf is nothing but extension should be mandatory. What is tf? Tf is nothing but Terraform, correct? Now this block and all I am going to keep in a separate block. Now see here. So copy this one, and coming to here, copy this one, coming to here. Concept very simple only. Just same thing yesterday I implemented it. Same thing I am going to separation multiple files. Now same thing I am not going to do anything here. Escape colon x. Okay. Now I have one more. Now also yesterday we created some null resources, right? Create one file for that also. Vi, so null resource as whatever name we can give it, null resource null resource dot tf5. Okay, so already we have same thing. Now I'm going to split it multiple. Where is this null resource? Copy this one up to here, up to here. Okay, now see here. So I declare everything, each and everything I declare same only. Now timestamp, okay, that's it. Now escape colon X. And so yesterday we created one more resource, right? What is that resource? EBS also, correct? Copy this one. Now coming to here, VA EBS value dot TF, EBS value dot TF. Now insert and just paste it. Now see here, skip colon. Now one more, what is the resource we created? VA EBS attach, right? అర్థమవుతుంది శ్రీనాథ్. So same thing we are going to declare multiple files. Same thing as of now, right? Everything I written same file only. But if you write so multiple resources in real time, the file will very large. We cannot understand easily. Now got it?
Yes, sir.
For one instance, we are going to create number of
Number of
files.
files. Splitted. We are going to split at multiple files.
Okay.
We are going to split at multiple files. Now future, if something they want to update. Now see here total how many files we can see here. Yesterday also I did same thing only. But the same thing I am going to declare multiple files. Now clear? Now future, for example, you want to update. You want to add one more UBS value. Where we can go and add? Simply we can go this file, right? Now got it?
Yeah.
Suppose you want to update some null related information, that is right, some script and all. Simply we can go and here. In future, I want to update my credential. So which file I can go? Credential. Credentials and all available where? This is EC2, okay. This is the volume related. This is the attached, and this is the EC2. This is null. For credentials and all available which file? Providers, right? How we are connecting here AWS? Now see here, cat space providers, cat space providers. Now got it. Suppose in future, if you want to update my credentials, access key and secret key, how I am connecting my AWS? With the help of access key and secret key only, right? Clear?
Yes. Here we
So
are created files in
okay.
OS. No? Actually, we are having text file in our laptop locally.
This is not text file. This is also TF file, right?
Yeah. This is
Only one TF file. But yesterday we created only one TF file, correct?
yes, yeah.
Now same TF file, I splitted how many files? See,
Five
yesterday we
five
created
files.
same only.
Yes.
This is same only, but the same thing. Everything I written only single file.
Yes.
But if you come to real time, this is not a best practice.
Okay.
Real time means మనకు ఇలా కొన్నే ఉండవు కదా. So
No,
we can
no.
declare multiple resources. We are adding multiple resources. We are doing lot of things. So if you go that case, so usually if you go that case, the file size will be very large. If I maintain everything single file, suppose in future I given this file to you, you want to update something, ఎక్కడ అప్డేట్ చేస్తారు మీరు? Very difficult, right?
Yes.
So that is the reason. Now same file, now I splitted how many files? Multiple files. See here, code is same only, everything same only, requirement is same only, but I splitted multiple files. Now see, observe here. Now see, I declare 5 files. That's it. If you understand nothing, now this is for, see, now I get cat space EC2. So now see here, we can easily, now I don't want this AMI feature. Okay. If you want to update, simply we can update, right? Now understand, right?
Yes.
Now I don't want this AMI. Simply we can update. For example, if you want to update my credential, actually my credential is expired. Now For example, if you want to update, where you can update, simply you go and update that providers only. Cat space providers. Now got it?
Yes.
So this is very simple.
But
Like
how
this, we are
can we
main.
execute all files when we are going to update at the time after updation? Actually, for one instance only, we have created 5 files.
Hmm. But
When I
remaining
want
steps
to,
same only. Internally, Terraform will take care. You don't worry that and all.
okay, okay,
Now see here. I am using. So now you doubt, right? Earlier we have only one file.
yes,
నాకేం ఒకటే ఉన్నింది.
uh,
మీరు టెరాఫామ్ ఇనిట్ కొట్టినా అప్లై కొట్టినా ఒక ఫైల్ రీడ్ చేసి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అయిపోతా ఉన్నింది. Now
yes,
doubt ఏమి? So now we created 5 files. Now how
yes,
the script will execute?
yes,
That is your doubt, right?
uh.
So this is very simple only. So everything it is taken care by so provide that is
Yeah,
Terraform only,
Terraform.
Terraform and AWS. But
Okay.
in this case, there is one more concept. There is a variable concept. In this case, there is one more concept here. Now we splitted okay. Now if we declare any variable here, now come to here. This is my here I don't have any variables, right? So did I declare any variables? No. So now anyway it will so invoke. Now first try it. We'll get some errors here. If any right local variables and all that case only. Now first run Terraform init. I given so Terraform init. So now see here it is downloading related. So it is downloading null plugin and all, and also it is downloaded which plugin AWS related plugin also. Now here also we can understand, right? Finding a null and AWS two plugins it installed. Now got it? మనం యాడ్ చేసిన టూనే కదా, వన్ ఫర్
Yeah,
నల్ రిసోర్స్ అండ్ వన్ ఫర్ ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ ప్రొవైడర్స్.
yes.
నౌ నౌ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ సో టెరాఫామ్ plan or validate. Now first check it. So validate, what is validate means? It is checking the syntactical errors. Now anyway you splitted multiple files. Now is there any dependencies? Now check it. I am not modified anything, same thing, just I copied and pasted on, right? Now use Terraform. Some case maybe you are getting some variables and all, that is variable is not declared here. And plan, I am using plan. Now see here. So now is there any errors here? Earlier we run only one file, correct? Now I same file I splitted how many files? 5 files. One for EC2, one for EBS, one for attach, and so one for null resource, one for okay. So real time we are maintaining so like this only. Real time we are maintaining multiple files. Now, now one more today we are going to discuss variables. Now here also I did something. Now if you let me come to here. Now see here. If you go here, now any instance is running? No, right? Let me apply also. How it will work? See here, Terraform apply hyphen auto approve. Now see here, total 4 resources. Total 4, one for attached, one for EBS, one for null. That is total 4, right? Now see here, creating instances. Now doubt how this script is executing earlier one file, now multiple files, right? Now Terraform easily identify. Terraform knows even if you maintain, I will show you code and all. Now you can easily understand. Now I am using somewhere AMI. First it is creating an instance, right? And also right, so we are using we are attaching EBS to the particular instance. How Terraform knows this EBS, we need to create only that particular region and all. And that case last class we used, right, some of resource name dot and so that resource type and resource name, and we are using some IDs and all, right? Now everything same only. Yesterday what we did, same thing we did only. But see here, everything working fine. Is there any issues? అర్థమైందా? నేను ఏదైనా మాడిఫై చేశానా? నథింగ్, రైట్?
లేదు లేదు.
Now, how the Terraform knows? So that is the behavior of Terraform. Terraform knows you added one resource. This resource for EC2. Now it is creating EC2. After creating EC2 only we are connecting instance, right? Before creating instance, can we connect instance? ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇన్స్టెన్స్ క్రియేట్ కాగానే మన ఇన్స్టెన్స్ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చునా?
కాదు.
కాలేము. సో
నా
ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు మన డౌట్ ఏమి, ఈ ఫైల్ ఎక్కడో కదా ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు దానికి ఎలా తెలుసు? నవ్ గాట్ ఇట్ రైట్. ఈ ఫైల్ మనం ఎక్కడో పెట్టినాం, సపరేట్ చేసి పెట్టేసాం, బట్ దానికి ఎలా తెలుసు? సో నవ్ సీ హియర్, హౌ హియర్ this is a variable file. Actually this is the EC2. First it is created. Now without creating instance, so is it possible to connect my instance? This script will execute or not?
నో నాట్. యాహ్!
Not
ఇట్ విల్
possible,
ఎగ్జిక్యూట్.
right?
యాహ్!
Not possible, right?
యెస్.
So this how Terraform knows. Okay, after creating instance, this is the username and this is the password, this is my secret file, and this is a host. Now we have doubt. So what is this? Actually here I've given my resource name and my name. This is a resource type and a name and public IP. Now we have doubt. Now see here, try to understand. Now if you go here, now if you come to here, one instance is created. One instance is created. Which region it is created, guys? Now check it here. So this is the IP address. This is the IP address. Where is public IP address? How we are connecting? Public IP only. Now in this script we return one host equal to, I return one right, attribute reference value. Now how, right? So now AWS underscore instance. What is this? This is a resource, right? Correct. Where we declare this resource? EC2, right? అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇదేమైనా
ఈసీ2.
సంథింగ్ నేను
యాహ్!
వాడినాను, ఇంతవరకు
లేదు
మీకు
లేదు.
తెలియదు, ఇది నేను డైరెక్ట్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ వాడేస్తాను. ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ అండర్ స్కోర్ రిసోర్స్ ఇది ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. సో ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ అండర్ స్కోర్ రిసోర్స్, ఓకే, వీడికి వచ్చింది. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిసోర్స్ నేమ్? ఐ గివన్ సంథింగ్, రైట్?
యెస్.
నవ్ సీ హియర్, వీడికి వచ్చింది. వీడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ పబ్లిక్ ఐపీ అన్నాను, డాట్ పబ్లిక్ ఐపీ. నవ్ సీ హియర్, ఇన్స్టెన్స్ క్రియేట్ అయింది. యూ డోంట్ నో విచ్ ఐపీ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్. డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ గ్యారంటీ ఇట్ ఈస్ సేమ్ ఐపీ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్? నేను ఒక ఇన్స్టెన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసినాను, ఏం ఐపీ వస్తుంది మీకు? పబ్లిక్ ఐపీ ఇదే ఐపీ వస్తుందా, చేంజ్ అవుతుందా? అట్లీస్ట్
చేంజ్ అవుతుంది పబ్లిక్ ఐపీ.
100% చేంజ్ అవుతుంది కదా, దెర్ ఈస్ నో
అవును.
డౌట్.
హ్మ్.
సో బట్ నాకు ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? ఆ ఐపీనే రావాలి, నేను డైనమిక్గా గెట్ చేయాలి. జనరల్గా అయితే ఇక్కడ మీరు కాపీ చేసి ఫేస్ కొట్టట్టు, హార్డ్ కోడింగ్.
యెస్.
బట్ ఇఫ్ ఐ గివ్ లైక్ దిస్, నెక్స్ట్ టైమ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ రన్ దిస్ కోడ్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ వర్కింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్? 100% ఇట్
వర్కింగ్.
వోంట్ వర్క్. నెక్స్ట్ టైమ్
ఓకే. ఐపీ. ఓకే. యాహ్!
ఐపీ ఇట్ విల్ చేంజ్,
నాట్
రైట్?
వర్కింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ టైమ్.
Not
ఓకే.
working.
ఆ!
Now that is the reason, this is the concept, attribute reference variable, attribute references. So how I get dynamically means, after creating my instance, okay, so this is my resource name, this is my resource, correct? AWS underscore instance, this is my resource name. From this resource get IP, public IP. If you want, we can get private IP also. Now got it?
యాహ్!
దీని basis కు అది connect అవుతుంది.
యాహ్! ఆ!
Now what is the default username? Which user you want to connect? EC2 hyphen user. This is a hard coding. This is static only, but this is a dynamic attribute reference. Every time while creating instance, I want to get that public IP. So if you want to copy, if you copy and paste, it means so only first time it won't work, next time 100% it won't work. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎందుకంటే
హ్మ్.
పబ్లిక్ ఐపీ
హ్మ్.
చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది.
చేంజ్ అయిపోతుంది. యెస్.
దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇప్పుడు నేను స్టాటిక్ ఇచ్చినాను అంటే ఫిక్స్డ్ ఇచ్చినాను, బట్ నాకేం కావాలి, ఏ ఐపీ వస్తుందో తెలియదు. ఐ డోంట్ నో విచ్ ఐపీ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ నెక్స్ట్ టైం.
హ్మ్.
So I want to get so that IP. This is the attribute reference. Now clear?
యాహ్!
Now okay. Now remaining part here. Anyone any doubt? This is same story only, right? Clear?
క్లియర్.
That's it. Now see here. Now okay. Now I splitted multiple files. Now see here, volume. Now we go and check it volume. So if you go here, this is the volume and attached. Now see here how this volume attached to this particular instance. Now doubt. So this is a separate file. EBS was created, correct? EBS created. And also here I given here also I given attribute reference. See here, AWS underscore instance, my resource name, availability zone. What is this meaning? Anyone? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నా ఇన్స్టెన్స్ వచ్చి 1A క్రియేట్ అయింది, యూఎస్ ఈస్ట్ 1A. నీ ఈబిఎస్ వాల్యూమ్ వచ్చి యూఎస్ ఈస్ట్ 1Bలో క్రియేట్ అయింది. హౌ కెన్ ఐ అటాచ్? ఈజ్ ఇట్ పాసిబుల్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఆల్రెడీ ఈబిఎస్ సార్ చెప్పుంటాడు కదా క్లాస్ ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్లో. ఇప్పుడు నాకు సో ఇన్స్టెన్స్ అనేది 1Bలో రన్ అవుతా ఉంది, ఈబిఎస్ అనేది సమ్వేర్ వి క్రియేటెడ్. సో నాకు దిస్ ఈజ్ మై ఇన్స్టెన్స్, రైట్? మై ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ రన్నింగ్ సో యూఎస్ ఈస్ట్ 1A. జస్ట్ అజ్యూమ్, లేక ఇక్కడ చూద్దాం. జస్ట్ కమ్ హియర్. సో వేర్ దిస్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ రన్నింగ్, విచ్ రీజియన్? అవైలబిలిటీ జోన్. Now got it.
Yes, yes.
1D it is created 1D. Now EBS created a different location. Suppose if I create EBS created a different location. For example, I created EBS 1C. Can I attach this EBS to this instance? ఇది బేసిక్ అన్నమాట. అటాచ్ చేయొచ్చు, అటాచ్ చేయలేమా?
Not
Not
possible.
possible. So that is the reason. Now I want to get where this instance is created, which region. First అది కావాలి కదా నాకు.
Uh,
Now that case, now observe here. Here we are using attribute reference. See here, AWS underscore instance, my that resource name and availability zone. What is this meaning? ఇది ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుంది, ఏ అవైలబిలిటీ జోన్తో ఇన్స్టెన్స్ క్రియేట్ అయిందో అదే ఇన్స్టెన్స్ లో నేను ఒక ఈబిఎస్ వాల్యూమ్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను.
yes. Mm.
So that is the reason dynamically we are getting. Now maybe next time if I run, it will create a US 1C also. Now what my script get means, that case it is getting US East 1C. Under the same region it is going to create a volume 3GB. Now got it?
Yeah.
So now anyway we are going to variables. So first you need to understand variable means we can easily understand so this and all. Now let me create so variables, how to declare variables and how it will work. So variables means in so shell scripting in anywhere variables is same only. And generally if we come to variable, there is three types of variables in available here Terraform. That is one is user defined variable. So whatever we want, so mostly we are using we are declaring some variables our purpose. So mostly we are declaring our variables. Okay. So if you come to here so variables, so there is multiple ways we can declare and we can call it. Okay. So one is so right, so user defined variable. So what is that? User defined variable. If you want to, we can declare user defined variable, or if you want to, we can some in and Terraform also it will provide some internal variables also, so internal system variables, and also some providers also they are providing some variables. Providers also providing some variables. This is the AWS people, or whether if you are using AWS, that people they are providing some variables, and if you are using Azure, and that people they are GCP, that people also they are providing some variables references and all. Okay, GCP. Now these are the user defined variable. User defined variable. User means correct. User and user means you are the user, right? I am the user here. Correct. Now got it.
Yeah.
Internal user or so this is the internal system user, and so we can use this many ways, but this all are this is based on your requirement only. We are going to work with, we are going to declare some variables. Okay, we are going to work these are the default. Even if you come to here, even if you come to here, okay, so Terraform variables. Okay, so variables in Terraform. Okay, if you type variables in Terraform, And see here, this is the official website. And if you go here, there is different variable types available. And so we can work with so whichever variables you know. So these are some variables already they given. See here, default variable, and these are the type and all. And values type, see here, this is a string type, numeric, boolean, list, whatever you want. These all are the see in same shell scripting how we are declaring. And same in Linux also we are using, we declare it in Python same like see here, input variables let you customize aspect of Terraform modules without alternate the module own source code. So if you go to here, first if you want to declare any variables, if you want to declare any variables, so there is a one here we are using, right, so one tag resource. So this is the variable. How to declare, guys, a variable? So generally, right, I hope Ansible also now we have some idea, right? If you want to declare, for example, here I want to declare something, for example, name equal to DevOps, name equal to DevOps. So this is the name, right? This is the key, right? This is the key, and this is the value. Now got it? Anywhere, even Terraform or even Kubernetes or Ansible, wherever, anywhere, any language. So left side is nothing but key, right side is nothing but value. So name equal to, what is I declare something, right? So name equal to I declare DevOps. Now left side is nothing but key, right side
Key
this is the value actually.
value.
In Jenkins also we declare some environment variables, right? That username and password we set something, that like that. Now if you want to declare here, and if you know JSON, right, that is very simple only. JSON means we are using curly base, if anyone know JSON format. And so that case, so we are using double quotation, that's sorry, close. And so this is the name, right? This is the name equal DevOps. Okay, this is what type, this is what type, whether it is string, whether it is boolean. String is, right, group of characters. And so boolean means true or false. And list means we can, here also there is many variables available, that arguments and all we can also pass it. And just we can reference it for your reference purpose. See here, string. So string is nothing but a string, numbers, boolean, the type of constructions whatever you want we can use it. And see here, type equal to string they mention. So now if you same thing if you want to write in Terraform, I am going to write like this only. So now see here, variable. This is the syntax, variable. And so variable name. So variable and variable name. What name you want to given? So for example, say whatever you want, that is your wish. Name. And so this is what type? This is the type. Type equal to type. Hmm. This is the name, right? So me yet what which type? This is the type, right? Type. This is the string type, or this is the integer type, or this is the boolean type. Now I am giving a string. Right, what is string? String is nothing but group of characters only, right? Now got it? String. String is nothing but group of characters. So now default, default, I want to set, so I want to give some name, DevOps. Now see here, this is the variable declaration. So if you want to declare any variable, and so in Terraform, this is the basic syntax. So this is the basic syntax. And so we can declare, see, variable and variable name, and we can give any name here. And that is the type. That is what type, whether it is string type, whether it is a boolean type, whether it is a list type, and whether it is a map type. And we can use multiple ways. So these are the constraints. See here. So the type argument is a variable block allows to restrict the type of value. What type of value? That will be accepted as part of your variable. If no type constraint is set, then value of any type is accepted. So if you don't want, we can leave it. By default, it is constraint any type. The type constraints are created from the mixture of type keywords and type constraints. We can add two. Now see here, if you want to declare anything, we can declare like this. Where is this? here, right? Here. Now this is my script, right? So this is my script. Now I'm going to declare one file. I'm going to declare one file and see here how it will work. Don't want here. Now I'm creating here one new more folder. Now see here. Mm, Variables to already in that script already I have, right? I'm not going to. So now let me come to here bash and so I don't have, right? Vi variable variables dot tf file. All variables I am going to declare under this file feature. I created one file insert. Okay. Now see here how to declare variable and give any name. For example, name type of I given. We can give anything. Now, so if you see here type, this is also not mandatory. First I am giving see here default equal to I given dev apps some name dev apps I given something. Okay, that's it. Now escape colon x. Now first it's here Terraform init. Next Terraform. Here it is not download any plugin. So this is only simple file, right? Terraform and validate. Now see here and so Terraform. So plan nothing to do anything. See zero changes and all. Now I want to print this message. Now if I run this, see here Terraform apply. If I see here, so there is no added, no changes. I am not getting anything. Output also I am not getting. Now how to print this value? Now here I declare one variables, right? So vi variables dot txt. So this is a variable equal to given I name default equal to I set devapps. Now how to print? So if you want to print anything in Terraform and last class also we seen, right? There is a one. There is a declaration purpose we are using variable. For printing purpose there is a output. If you want to print anything, so this is the syntax output. Okay, we can give any name, guys. For example, I am print name. Now see here and so how to print that variable? How to print? Already I declare, right? So how to print that value? So this is the syntax value equal to how to print value equal to where you declare variables, guys. This is a variable, right? If you want to print this value, this is the syntax variable name dot variable name where dot variable name. So this is the syntax where dot variable name. Which variable I declare? Name. That's it. Anyone any doubt here? This is just if you want to declare any variable, this is the syntax. So variable name, we can give any name, and under this we are going to declare type and all. Now if you want to print this variable value, this is the syntax output, and we can give any name and value equal to var. How to call these values? var dot name. Now I'm going to declare one more thing. Now here anyone any doubt? Sorry, అర్థం ఇస్తున్నారు గారు. If you want to declare, just I declare one name, just I'm printing, that's it. Nothing is there here, very simple. Now run it here. Terraform apply I given. Now it is asking Terraform will perform. So yes. Now see here, what is the value I'm printing, guys? Dev apps. What is the value I printed? Dev apps. Now got it. Now see here vi. Now default equal to now I given, I am not mentioning anything. Now I see here I remove insert whatever which format you want to print, same thing we can pass here. Welcome to DevOps. This is the default value I set. Correct. Now output value equal to var dot name. That's it. Suppose if you change this name, okay, suppose if I n name 1, but here I called only name. Now check it whether it will work or not. Escape colon, it is working or not? Anyone?
Yeah,
Now
it
see
works.
here, see variable dot file line number 2, variable name 1, default welcome to DevOps. Variable may not be used here. What is the error? So if you go here, so this variable we didn't use. That is different name you called. Correct?
Yes.
So now go here, VI edit. Now I am giving the same name output. Here we can give a okay insert. We can give any name. This is your wish. Not only that. So print okay value or name print whatever. That is your wish. Now variable dot. What is my variable name? N escape colon x. Now see here Terraform apply. Hmm. What is that? Variable may not used here. I remove double quotation, right? Sorry. So now I'm mentioning insert. So default I set something, right? So here I what values? This is the default value. This is a string, right? Where is cursor? Come to here. Okay. Welcome to DevOps. I need that is. Or if you want to, we can declare a type also. If you want to, we can declare type. Type equal to what type, guys? This is string type or boolean type, or this is the list type. Whatever there is multiple many right many ways we can declare. So whatever we want, we can use it. Now here I am mentioning a type equal to string. Best practice we are adding a type also mentioning string. That's it. Escape colon x. Now see here Terraform apply. Now yes. Now see here name print. Welcome to DevOps. Name print. Welcome to DevOps. Anyone any doubt here? So generally in our Terraform script, so we are declaring like this. Now if any variable if you want to declare, we need to split that file also. We need to split that file also. So for example, I want to store boolean value. Suppose if you want to store boolean value, so what is that case? What you need to use, guys? Boolean. Boolean means right? What is boolean? True or false? So vi variables dot tf. I want to give some true or false boolean. Now declare here. We can declare many variables same file. That is no problem. That is your wish. Insert. Go down. Where is that cursor? Here, right? Okay. Now see here variable bool where and same syntax only. Hmm. How to declare boolean variable? Boolean means right? True or false. Correct? Now here type equal to a type which type you want? Type equal to bol bool. That is the syntax. I don't know check it here. So type equal bol bool. Type equal to boolean only. This is the bool bool. Okay, added. Type equal to bool. And so how to print these values? Output output print boll. Whatever name we can give it. Now got it. If you practice, this is very simple only. Nothing. Value equal to how to call this, guys? True or false? Boolean means true or false, right? var dot what name I declare? How to call this value? A name declaration bool value. Correct?
Yeah.
Bool value. That's it.
Boolean.
Escape colon x. Now see here. So just run it. Terraform apply. Now see here. variable dot bool enter value. Now we need to pass a true value. One is true or other one is false. Now I'm giving true. True. Now it is asking yes. Now see here. Now clear. Now runtime I passed. It is asking boolean value whether we want pass. Now I'm running second time. Now in this case I given false. Now see here what value I passed. Okay. Now I'm running third time. Now I'm giving for example. Now see here I given Markonda. What it is throwing error message. Invalid value for variable bo boolean. Now what you understand? Boolean means we have to pass only true,
True or false?
true
True
or
or
false.
false?
That's it. Apart from this, if you pass anything, it won't accept. Now I got to see unsuitable value for the this variable. You set using the attractive prompt. Boolean is a required. Boolean means you need to pass true or false. Apart from true or false, if we give anything, it won't allow. Now got it, guys? That's it. Now, for example, I want to declare. For example, I want to declare. I want to declare some values. String type list. You know, right? List. List is nothing but here also see list. What is list? Even if you try here, Terraform list example. Terraform. If you type list example, they will give many example. Just copy and paste it first time. If you don't know, list is nothing but right? List of values. We can declare multiple values, guys. This is the syntax. Variable users. We can give any name. Type equal to list. A list variable holds a list of values. Now got it? List variable holds what? List of values. Now see here how we can declare. Now see here I'm copying face same thing only. I'm copying face same thing only. So see here. Let's come to here. Edit. Now go to here. Insert. I am declaring list variables. Okay. Copy and paste. Now, so what is my variable? Users. These are just assume these are the users. For best fact, we are giving double quotation. Even if you are not mentioning, it will work. Type equal to list. I given default equal to these are the names. For example, I given list of name. Okay. Type equal to I given tools. Whatever you want. Now I given Jenkins and here I given Docker. Here I given so like this we can add many names. Next Ansible. Now see here I declared. Now how to print, guys? Hmm. What is syntax? Output print or anything. Okay, that is your wish. We can print tools. Hmm. Now how to print? So now I want to print, right?
With
If you want to
type
print hmm, value hmm, va value equal to hmm,
where
var dot name. What is that?
as a tools.
Tools. That's it. Now same thing. Even if you want to, you can go just check it how they are printing. So if they are printing, just copy and print. Already they declare, right? So plan variables directly they are passing. We can see pass. Okay. Now anyway, I am printing here also. Now see here, escape colon x. Now run it. Terraform apply. Now boolean I declare, right? True. 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 Now yes. Now see here. So it is printing to list. So this is the to list. This is converted. What are the list names like Jenkins, Docker, and Ansible? Jenkins, Docker, and Ansible. I print all, right? I print all. Clear? So whatever we declare here, same thing I printed here. Now if you want to print only specific value, how to print that, guys? Anyone? I want to print only specific value. That case, I want to print only second and second. How to print that one? Output, output space specific value. Just I given name. I can given something, any name. We can give it any name. Hmm. How to print only specific? I don't want all three. I want to print only darker. Hmm. Anyone? Value equal to. Hmm. Tell me. Variable dot. Hmm.
Jenkins.
We need index, right? List. So this is a list, right? This is a list. So in this list, total how many we have? Three names, correct?
3 names.
Jenkins, Docker, Ansible. Actually, array starts with index 0 or 1.
0.
0. Now I want to Docker, right? In that
Yes.
case, 1.
1.
Now see here, copy this one, go here, paste. How to paste it? Shift insert, right? Okay. Now one more thing, I'm pasting. Now see here, this is the, I want to print only one by one. This is the list of 0. Now got it? 0. And this is the list of 1. And this is the list of 2. Here anyone any doubt? And this is the index value. Come here. Where is that? We can give first value. This is the, we can give any name. Now got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now run this file. True. Declare a boolean, right? That is the reason. What is this? Somewhere. List 1. What it is missing? Read that. What is the
Variable name is missing.
variable? Oh, okay. We need to update that one also, right? We are here. Variable first where variable name to this, right?
There you provided variable tools is there, right? Tools where dot tools of 0.
Here I missed list, right? Directly I given list. Instead of list, we
You
need
need
to give this.
tools.
What is this name? Here I declare tools, right?
Yes.
Tools, tools dot tools of
0.
0. Here also tools of 1. Tools. Here also tools of 3. Sir, 2.
Sir, spelling is
Yes.
missing, sir. Tools, tools once.
Tool. Yeah. Tools. Okay. Clear? 0 and 2. Anything missing? That's it, right?
Yes, yes, right.
Escape colon X. Now Terraform apply. Boolean value true. And I'm giving yes. So now see here. First value. What is the first value? First I given, right? Where Jenkins. Second I retrieved Docker. And third I retrieved so Ansible. So if you want to specifically add that one, and that case so we can use, so this is the syntax. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Cat va. Now here anyone any doubt, guys? So next class I'm going to declare multiple variables, and so here as of now we are using everything, right? Hard coding. Now if you go here, EC2 and all, here I am using so region equal to I am giving hard coding, and AMI also I am using hard coding here directly. So now next class what I am going to do, I am going to declare one variable. In that variable I am assigning this, and directly I am calling here so where dot next that name I am calling. Clear? Now as of now see here everything so instance type I given hard coding. Now got it? Clear? So next class, so I am going to declare some variables, and these values I am assigning to variables, and with the help of variables I am calling here. అర్థమైంది గారు. సో ఫ్యూచర్లో మనం మాడిఫై చేసుకోవాలంటే వెరీ సింపుల్ అనమాట. నో నీడ్ టు డూ హియర్. ఇఫ్ యూ చేంజ్ ఎనీథింగ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ గో అండ్ అప్డేట్ ఇన్ వేరియబుల్, ఆటోమేటిక్లీ దట్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ కమింగ్ హియర్. Okay, so just these are the basics only. There is many types available here. Just Google it, and so you know, right? If you type list of variables, boolean type is there, string type, boolean, string, integer, map, list, there is a set of many things we can see here, right? So these are the, see here, set type, map type, and object type, and tuple also is there. But if all this is not mandatory, that is based on requirement, which is suitable for your requirement, that only we are going to add, declare. Now got it? Already we have some idea. In shell scripting also we are declaring some variables, right? Same way in Terraform also we can declare some variables, and these are the constant types. So which constant you want, whether that is string type, numeric type, bool type, list type, set type, map type. So that is whatever you want, we can. So if you know, don't know, just Google it. Already mostly 90% they are giving syntax and all. Just copy and paste, and based on requirement, just we are updating. That's it. Okay. So that's it from my side. And if you have any doubt, we can ask. Next class, I'm going to update all these things, separate variables. I'm going to update and I'm calling it. Okay. That case we can understand easily.